Welcome to TechApex Academy, your premier destination for computer science education. We guide students from their very first steps into technology through to achieving advanced proficiency. This video introduces our Scratch for Kids course. You will master coordinate grids, motion, logic gates, and game development across 9 interactive modules. Let's begin the adventure with Day 1, Interface and Coordinates. We will explore the Scratch stage and learn how to position our characters exactly where we want them, starting with the Coordinate Treasure Hunter project. Today, we will explore the Scratch interface, master the coordinate system, and learn to teleport sprites live by inputting math offsets. The Scratch interface has 3 main components: the stage, where your characters interact, the blocks palette, your toolbox of coded instructions, and the script workspace, the center canvas for dragging and snapping code. The stage is a coordinate grid, like a treasure map. The x-axis runs horizontally from -240 to +240. The y-axis runs vertically from -180 to +180. The exact center is the home base coordinate of 0, 0. Brain check. What are the coordinate values of the exact center of the stage? Brain check. If we change a sprite's x value from 0 to 100, which way does it move? To teleport your sprite, select it, locate the X and Y boxes in the Properties panel, and type 0 in both. Watch your sprite teleport right to the center of the world. For your Day 1 reflection or sandbox mission, open a new Scratch project. Try dragging your cat sprite to all 4 corners of the screen and observe how the X and Y coordinates change. Thank you for watching. Join our community to see how we make learning tech fun. Visit our YouTube channel and unlock your digital potential with TechApex Academy. Like, share, and subscribe for a peek into our EdTech journey.